Are you sick and tired of not saving enough money? Napapagod ka na at gusto mo na talagang sumuko? Ang question na gusto kong tanungin sa inyo ngayon is, alam mo na ba yung 50-25-25 rule? Ulitin ko, 50-25-25 rule. Pag nalaman nyo itong 50-25-25 rule, ito ang paraan para ikaw ay makakaipon ng mabilis. At kung paano yan, you got to watch this video.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there! This is Chinky Tan, ang inyong pambansang wealth coach. Maraming salamat sa pag-tune in sa channel na ito. Ito ang channel ng mga ipunaryo at ng mga paunlad. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin kung paano kayo makakaipon ng mabilis. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, ang tanong, mabilis ka na bang nakasubscribe sa channel na ito? Oo, hindi. Bilisan po natin. Subscribe na. Click the bell button and sama natin all. Okay! Let's get right into it. Itong video na pag-uusapan po natin ay isang magbibigay ako ng commentary sa isang video na ginawa po ni Mr. Kevin Hart. Ito po isang artista at i-reveal niya yung secret niya kung paano siya nakakaipon ng mabilis. Para malaman natin, let us watch this.
That number, split that number in half. Half of that number goes to the government. That's the IRS, no matter what. Let's say that number is a number. No matter what, when you make money, split it in half. Don't put the money in your bank account and look at it as you got all that money, because you don't. Create a account, call it the tax account. Put half of that there, so as you make money, you always put this money in the tax account. I never got to worry of giving the government their money, because that money's over there, and I don't look at that like it's my money. I'm never going to touch that money, because it's not mine, it's the government. So now off of my half, what do I want to do? I'm going to take another half. This half is going over here. This half is for my next real estate investment. I don't know what it is. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm putting it over here. So when I do figure it out, I got it there to buy. So now I'm only living. This is so ridiculous. I'm only living off a quarter.
Wow, grabe naman yung philosophy niya, no? When it comes to budgeting yung pera niya, si Kevin Hart, ito po ay isang popular na artista na yun nga, gumagawa siya tapos ng mga pelikula, nagpapatawa po siya, pero super rich and super successful. Yan pala yung sikreto niya. Ginagamit niya palang formula is 50-25-25. Ulitin ko 50-25-25. 50% pala ng kanyang pera, linalagay na niya sa isang bank account, parang tax na rin daw niya. Kakalimutan niya. Tapos 25%, ginagamit niya for investment purposes, and then nabubuhay lang siya sa loob ng 25%. So, yun po ang kanyang diskarte. Naalala ko tuloy nung bata ako, yan ang tinuro sa akin ni Mama. Na same principle, 50-25-25. 50% ko nasa savings, 25% ko nasa pang-investment or business, 25% ang pwede ko lang gastusin. So, ang ibig ko po sabihin, tuwing kumikita po ako ng piso, 50 savings, 25 pang negosyo, 25 pang gastos. Gusto kong bumili ng candy. Ang halaga po ay 1 peso. So, anong gagawin ko po? Syempre, hahabulin ko yung kita ko. Kailangan kumita ko ng 4 pesos. Bakit? 2 pesos savings, 1 peso pang negosyo, 1 peso pang gastos. So, kung ang current lifestyle ko right now, let's say, nasa 10,000 pesos. Ang habulin kong income, 40,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos nasa savings, 10,000 pang investment or pang business, 10,000 I can only spend. In other words, ang kagandahan ng ganitong formula, mga friendship, nung natutunan ko to, the more I spend, the more I save and invest. Ang importante, ang hinahabol ko, hindi yung magkano gagastusin ko. Ang hinahabol ko, magkano ang dapat ipunin ko, at the same time, pang-invest ko, bago ako pwede gumastos. Grabe, this is revolutionary, in terms of way of thinking. However, marami sa inyo nagsasabi, Chinky, alam mo kung gagayahin ko yung 50-25-25, alam mo kakainin ko araw-araw, Skyflix, malutong kahit anong ipatong. That's the reason why. Let me offer a disclaimer, okay? While you are watching this video, okay, huwag nyo pong gayahin po yung formula na tinuro po niya, sinare ko po sa inyo, ang gayahin mo yung principle behind the formula. So, paano po yung principle? Ito po yung principle. Siguro pag nag-i-start po kayo, hindi nyo kaya ng 50-25-25, umpisahan nyo muna sa 5-5-90. 5% savings, 5% pang business or investment, 90% pang gastos. I believe kakayanin po niyan. Do you agree? So, type agree. If you agree in the comment section, mag-type kayo ng agree. So, next, syempre 5,590 ka, tapos biglang tumaas ang income mo. Pag tumaas ang income mo, ito na diskarte mo. 5, 10, 85. Tumaas ulit ang income mo, di ba? Ang gawin mo naman, di ba? 10, 10, di ba? 80. Pag tumaas ulit ang income mo, pwede nang 10, 20, 70. Pag tumaas ang income mo, 20, 20, 60. Pag tumaas ang income mo, pwede nang 20, 30, and 50. In other words, ito po ang diskarte. Habang tumataas po ang income, dapat tumataas din ang savings and investment. In other words, in English, ladies and gentlemen, when your income increases, you don't increase your standard of living and spending, but you increase your standard of savings and investing. Woo! Mga friendship, mga kaimponaryo, pag itong sistema, finalo nyo talaga, maniwala kayo. Number 1, ano yung benefit? Makakaipon ka. Number 2, magkakaroon ka ng emergency fund. Number 3, makakabayad ka sa utang. Or number 4, wala kang utang. Number 5, makakapag-invest ka. Number 6, makakapagnegosyo ka. In other words, you can be financially free. That's the reason why I want to challenge you, my friends. Kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan itong principle na ito, again, I'm not referring to the 50, 25, 25. I'm referring to, again, umpisahan mo muna sa 5, 5, 90, then 5, 10, 85, then nasiging 10, 10, 80, then 10, 20, 70, maging 20, 20, 60, then 20, 30, 50, until such time na lumaki ng income mo, aabuti mo na yung 50, 25, 25. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. Maraming salamat for tuning in. Tatandaan, parati ko sinasabi, ang pagyaman po ay napag-aaralan. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on our next video.